Hi guys! So, this is what we ate in the Barracks Carbon Market in Cebu City. And ang una namin napuntahan is yung mga nasa labas ng Carbon Market. Yung mga kwek-kwek, kikiam, ganun. Nakakatawa kasi marami silang kinamberly for the sausawan. We tried the snail. It's 5 pesos per stick. It was good, chewy, and we really like this one. So, we went inside and una kong binili is yung siomai sa Tisay. So, this is a store we stumbled upon. Ito yung pinagbilan namin ng seafood. And gusto ko talaga matry yung lukot. So, dito ko siya nahanap. And it was kind of slimy and at the same time, medyo gelatinous yung texture. So, it was okay. And sulit dito kasi parang 10 pieces ng scallops. It's just for 100 pesos. Sa lahat na natikman namin lechon for the entire trip, ito yung pinakamalasa but medyo fatty. So, we also ordered yung slobua. It's for 200 pesos. Unlimited na siya. Tapos, ayan, tinuruan kami ni Kuya kung paano magluto. So, tinikman na namin siya. And para lang siyang gravy. Yun nga lang, huwag masyadong sobra kasi nga pig's brain to. So, makolesterol. But overall, nagustuhan namin siya. And sulit na siya for 200 pesos. And may kasama na siyang 10 kanin, diba? So, ito naman, tinry namin yung lukot. Kailangan mo siyang lagyan ng suka or ng kalamansi kasi nga, wala naman siyang lasa. Okay to if may kapartner na mga ihaw or prito, ganyan. So, okay din siya. In fairness, sobrang sarap and affordable lahat na nakain namin dito sa The Barracks Carbon Market. Sobrang worth it na ito yung last stop namin bago kami mag-fly back to Manila. So, if you're here in Cebu, you should try this place. Yun lang. Bye!